The Command Line Interface, CLI. Whether you're a seasoned network professional or just getting started in the world of IT, understanding how to effectively use CLI commands is an essential skill. They give you more control and flexibility, enabling you to directly interact with the system and execute tasks more efficiently. In this first of a two-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll go over some of the common CLI commands on Cisco Catalyst 1200 or 1300 series switches. Next. CLI is available on the switch through three access modes: the console or serial port, remote SSH, and telnet. By default, telnet and remote SSH are disabled. They can be enabled in the web user interface of the switch. If you need to do this, navigate to Security, TCP/UDP Services, and then SSH Service. Click the Enable box for SSH. You can also enable Telnet for CLI access here, but it is not recommended as it is not secure. Save this new setting by clicking the blinking red Save icon at the top of the screen. For console access, you need to connect a PC or laptop with the serial cable to the console port of the switch. Once connected, navigate to the Device Manager and check the COM port. On mine, it's 5. Open a PuTTY terminal and select the serial connection. I'll enter the connection speed as 115/200 and enter the correct COM port number. After that, click Open. You may need to press Enter a couple of times before you see the username prompt. Initially, the default username and password are Cisco. You'll be prompted to change these credentials to something more secure. After entering a new username and password, you will gain access to the switch. A useful feature of CLI is autocomplete. It helps you get the correct syntax of the commands. To do this, simply press the Tab button and question mark to see the available options to insert in the command. Show commands provide crucial information on the status and configuration details of the network. They are often used for mapping out your network, troubleshooting, and monitoring. When you make changes, you can check to make sure they've been applied with a show command. I'll show you some common ones, starting with show running-config. Using this command, you can see all the information about the switch configuration. To see the next line, press your keyboard Enter key. To see the next bulk portion of the output, click the space bar. To exit, press Q or Ctrl+Z on the keyboard. The show MAC address-table command gives you all the MAC addresses that are learned by the switch on various ports and VLANs. Similarly, the command show IP interface can be used to see information about the IP addresses assigned on different interfaces. You can enter show interfaces status to view information about ports, the link state, speed, duplex mode, and more. Some of the other useful show commands include show CDP neighbors. That gets you details about Cisco connected devices, such as the device identifier, local interface, capability, platform, port ID, and more. Show LLDP neighbors is similar and will display information about all the discovered devices using LLDP. If you need to use the autocomplete feature for any of the show commands, simply type SH and press Tab on your keyboard to complete the word show. Then press the question mark to see the available options. I'll type show clock to see the current system date and time, information on the operational source of the system time, and general clock-related configurations. Those are some common show commands. Click the link in the description for part 2, where I'll cover some common CLI commands in configuration mode. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.